as the Minecraft girl. And now and then I make some study videos about math topics to keep my mom happy, because she keeps going around scolding me and telling me, if you do not do something educational each day, I will take Minecraft away from you. And as I am the Minecraft girl, I would never want to lose my precious Minecraft. So here's another video up, and the third lesson, profit and loss. If you haven't already seen my other videos about lesson 1 and 2, please go check them out. So let's start with the topic. But before that, just a few minutes ago, my really close friend Steve came asking me, what is happening to my business? I'm selling ice creams and I'm gaining something per ice cream, but I'm losing money. He was crying so hard. He asked me to help him out and tell him how he can run his ice cream business better. So now you guys will understand the concepts with my help, and you will help Steve out and tell him how he can run a good business. So let's start with the first concept, the cost price. The name itself reveals all about it. The cost price is the cost of the object that he is buying, which is the ice cream. So he pays 10 rupees to the factory per ice cream. I'm just going to write it as IC, okay? So, and each ice cream he buys, he gives away 10 rupees to the factory. So that is the cost of the ice cream that he buys from the factory. And that's something similar to cost price. Selling price. Selling price must be the price that he sells it at. I'm just going to explain it to you, though it's very obvious because some of you might not understand it. So there are just abbreviations for this: CP, cost price, and selling price, SP. So the selling price that is basically the price that Steve sells the ice cream at. And he told me he sells each ice cream for 15 rupees. So basically 15 rupees per ice cream. But where does profit and loss come? As you can see, 10 rupees and 15 rupees have a difference. So what we have to do to figure out the profit is the SP or selling price minus the CP or cost price. So basically it is 15 rupees selling price and minus the cost price, which is 10 rupees, and it equals to 5 rupees. So what does this tell us? By buying it at 10 rupees but by selling it at a high price, he is gaining 5 rupees per ice cream that he sells. Why am I using per all the time? That will be explained in overheads and in the chart that I have made. So what does the overheads do? Where does overheads come in? So Steve told me that there's this guy called Herobrine, which he's recruited to be a delivery boy, because he can't just run his business alone. Everybody requires some help. Like if I'm doing a stall with my friends, without my friends it'll be hard for me to sell all the things, because my friends can hold out posters, they can go and tell everybody, because you always need somebody to help you. Always somebody who got your back for your business. So that's Herobrine. And what he told me is that he pays Herobrine 100 rupees per week. So 100 rupees per week. So that's Herobrine's salary per week. But no matter how many ice creams Steve sells, each week 100 rupees from his wallet goes to Herobrine as his salary. So why does this come under overheads? Overheads is nothing but the price that he has to pay over the selling price and cost price so that he can help out his business. But he's making 5 rupee profit per ice cream that he's selling. Then why is he so sad? Why is he losing all his money? So he told me that these are the past 4 weeks charts. So he sold 5 ice creams in the last week. So what happens? 5 ice creams is a good number. 5 is a lot of ice creams. So what's happening here? So that's 5 ice cream that he has sold in the week. And per ice cream he gains 5 rupees. So 5 into 5, that is the profit, gives 25 rupees. But then again, at the end of the week, Mr. Herobrine comes. Where's my salary? Give me my 100 bucks. You promised them to me. So that's where the overheads come. Then 100 rupees, which is Herobrine's salary, minus the profit that he gains for the week with 5 ice creams is 25. So we minus that and we get 75 rupees. So poor Steve loses 75 rupees in that week. That's why he'll be so sad. I guess he has to sell some more ice creams so that he can lose less. So he sold 10, so that seems like a bigger number. So let's calculate this. 10, again, 10 ice creams into 5 rupees gained on each ice cream gives you 50. But again, the week just ended. So Mr. Herobrine's like, give me my salary per week, like you have to give me 100. You promised me that. No escaping. So again, there goes 100 rupees from Steve's wallet again. So we're going to minus it just like we did it there. But this time, he loses lots of money, which is 100 minus 50, 50 rupees. He still loses lots of money and he is not gaining anything. So he is sad. So he has come to me to tell him approximately how many ice creams does he have to sell so that he gains at least 1 rupee. Please, you know how people feel when they don't get anything from doing lots of hard work, right? So 20 ice creams, that seems like an even bigger number. So let's calculate this. So 20 into 5 rupees gained on each ice cream gives you 100 rupees. But again, it's the end of the week. Mr. Herobrine comes and he asks for his 100 rupees. So 100 minus 100 gives you 0. So he doesn't lose anything, nor he gains anything. And this kind of amount of selling anything is known as the break even. The break even is nothing but 2 words naming that these many products sold at whichever month, week is actually not bad, not good either. It's 0, no profit, no loss. Then he tries to figure out, maybe if I sell some more than these, I'll get at least some profit and I won't lose all my money. So he told me that he tried out this and he sold 21 ice creams for a week. So what we have to do is 21 into 5 rupees gained on each ice cream. That gives you nothing but 105 rupees. But again, Mr. Herobrine comes and asks him, where is my 100 bucks? Like all the weeks he's been asking. He is a good delivery boy, but everybody has to be keen and aware of when my money has been given and when it's not. So he always comes at the end of the week and asks for his 100 rupees. So 105 minus 100 gives you 5 rupees. But earlier the 100 came towards the left. But 105 is coming over here. So this is not a loss, but it is a profit. So if Steve wants to be a good businessman, he has to sell either 21 ice creams or over 21 ice creams to make a profit above 5 rupees. So what has Steve learned today and what have all of you learned today is that profit and loss is an easy topic that you need to know becoming a businesswoman, businessman or anything. Like as you keep growing up, even if you're a doctor or a scientist, you have your salary. So you have to be aware like Herobrine and be a good businessman so that you earn and you get profit and no loss. Thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to like this video, share this video with your friends to tell them about profit and loss, and also subscribe to my channel of The Minecraft Girl. Now I have made Steve happy and Herobrine is like, okay, I have no problem, I'm getting my money. So everybody is happy eating ice creams. And eat your ice cream and enjoy while watching this video. So bye guys, see you next time.